Lockhart, second grade. For our math lesson 9-5 today, I'm going to be working with page 400, so it's the back side of our page. And it's basically what we've always been doing, 3 digits minus 3 digits. However, we've always been borrowing from the tens place, and today's assignment we're actually going to be borrowing from the hundreds place. So I'm going to show you, we're going to go through all 12 problems, and hopefully by the end of this you'll get the hang of it. So we always start in the ones place. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 3. I have 1. I can't take away 3, so I'm going to actually go to my neighbor in the hundreds and borrow from them. So I'm going to cross out the 4. I'm going to take a 10 away, and that's going to become a 3. And this is going to become an 11, because I'm going to bring that 1 back to the tens place. 11 minus 3 is 8, and 3 minus 2 is 1. All right, if we go to number 2. Go to the ones place. 7 minus 2 is 5. I have 4. I can't take away 8, so I'm going to go to the hundreds. My neighbor, I'm going to borrow a 10, so that becomes a 2, because it's 1 less. That 1 comes back to the tens place, that's 14. 14 minus 6, or 14 minus 8 is 6. And then I go here, 2 minus 1 is 1. All right, number 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. I have 2. I can't take away 3, so I'm going to borrow from the 100. That becomes a 0. I'm going to bring that 1 over to the tens. 12 minus 3 is 9. So my answer is just 90. I don't need to bring that 0 down. Okay? Number 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. I have 1, and I can't take away 6, so I'm going to go to my neighbor in the hundreds. Borrow from the 3. The 3 becomes a 2. Bring the 1 back here. That becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. All right? Number 5. Again, we're going to go to the ones place. 4 minus 1 is 3. I have 7, and I can't take away 9. So I'm going to borrow from the hundreds. That becomes a 7. If you can't fit the 1 here, you can always put like the 17 up here. 17 minus 9 is 8. And 7 minus 2 is 5. Now you might want a number line with you to help you, or you can use your fingers if you need to. I would have the number line go from 0 to 20. Number 6, again, 9 minus 7 is 2. I have 4. I can't take away 7, so I'm going to borrow from the 5. That becomes 1 less the 4. And carry the 1 back to the tens place. 14 minus 7 is 7. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. 172. All right, let's flip this around and we'll continue with our problems. Okay. Hopefully you're getting the hang of this. It's kind of fun once you figure it out. Okay, again, we're going to start here in the ones. 4 minus 0 is 4. I have 5. I can't take away 7, so I'm going to go to the 4 and cross it out. Becomes 1 less, that's a 3. I carry the 1 back to the tens, that's 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. All right, number 8. Again, 8 minus 3 is 5. I have 2. I can't take away 3, so I'm going to borrow from the hundreds. That becomes a 7, and that becomes a 12, because I'm going to bring that 1 back to the tens place. 12 minus 3 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. Number 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. I have 2. I can't take away 7, so I'll borrow from the hundreds. That becomes 8. I'll bring the 1 back over here. That becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. And 8 minus 1 is 7. All right. Number 10. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 9. So if I have 9 and I take away all 9, I'm going to be left with 0. And 6 minus 3 is 3. I didn't have to borrow from any of my neighbors on this problem. Number 11. 5 minus 2 is 3. I have 6, and I can't take 9 away, So I'm going to cross out the 4. That becomes a 3. And I can't really figure, so that's going to be 16. So I'm going to add the 1 to the 6. 16 minus 9 is 7. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay? Number 12 is a problem-solving question. A bakery makes 358 muffins. It sells 166 muffins in the morning. How many muffins are left? So we're going to subtract. And remember, when we subtract, we want the larger number on top. So the larger number is 358. And because it says how many are left, left is our clue word to subtract. And we're going to subtract 166. Put our equal sign in. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 minus 6 I can't do. I have 5. I can't take away 6. So I'm going to cross out the 3 and that becomes a 2. Carry my 1 back over to the tens. 15 minus 6 is 9. And 2 minus 1 is 1. And your answer is 192 muffins are left. And we're going to skip number 13 on this page. So hopefully through this page you've been able to get an idea of how to do your assignment. If you have questions, just email me in Google Classroom. Good luck. Bye.